Because when they were taking the head now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of being here, please consider subscribing to my channel. To subscribe, please check below the red subscription button below. Hit on the red subscription button below to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications each time I upload a new video.
What's that be they like? And I know songs that be they like, huh?
Are you serious? So
how did
this me? I'm not the only person in the package.
Songs that be they like. We would don't even kiss for club.
Oh, I don't hear that gist, but not like in detail. Not in detail.
I do things that even when they came in under 2 hours, I don't see one. Me one came in, I need to give it for my people because they suffer for it. So I don't have any explanations to give to anybody.
I mean, like he's not okay yet, like with the whole meeting. He's not adapted.
I remember when there was a time I was thinking, is it just me that is struggling with this experience?
Yeah.
And there was a day when the January was still speaking, there was a day he called me, I was telling me,
hide my feelings anymore. Like I actually really like this guy. I don't care about what anybody say. I don't even care about what other people will say tomorrow about us or anything. I actually really like him. The only thing is like I'll change a little bit when it comes to tasks. I'll concentrate on tasks. Like I can't hide my feelings, and I really cannot hide my feelings anymore.
And sometimes finding your person in life is just as much of a big prize as 100 million.
Of course.
And you find your person, people can make. You can make so much money over time.
Being with him.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say, how do I know, is there a rule book to winning the prize? Is there a rule book to how I have to act to get to the finals or to win the prize? There's not even a rule book. So yeah, even if it's this relationship I take out of this house, I'm fine. I'm actually really good.
You're taking something very good.
I'm taking something really good.
Very, very good.